Hey guys, I'm here with Priscilla. What I want to create is a beautiful transition from a cooler shade, more brunette, into this really beautiful lighter ends. And I'm gonna use Colorance and the new Colorance Express Toning Beige Mint. Let's have some fun. I prepped the hair by creating a balayage technique. What I want to create now is a beautiful transition from her own natural color into a middle tone and mid-length and ends as light as possible. I'm gonna start. I'm always a big fan of using two toners after a balayage because you get a more beautiful and softer result. Thank you for watching, I hope you liked it, and see you next time.